Hi, I'm Pip from queenpipcards.com. Welcome. Let's talk about layers. Adding layers to your cards is one of the easiest ways to create depth and make your designs look really polished. So in today's Crafty Corner episode, I'll be sharing how layers can elevate your cards. So let's start with the base layer. This is the one that goes on top of your card base itself. So start with something strong like a white or a coloured cardstock or a black, something bold, okay? Then you're going to add matte layers. So these are the ones that frame your focal point and create a contrast. And then finally, you're going to have foam layers or toppers, as I call them, where you use a foam adhesive or Stampin' Dimensionals. These are the foam pads that I like to use a lot to pop up your elements and add dimension. So now you have really nice depth going on your card. Not only do you have several layers to introduce colours and interest, but then you have something that's popped up and had dimension on top of that. So layering is a great technique to really add interest and dimension to your card. I've got an added layer on my head today because I'm having one of those hair days. So I popped a hat on. So there you go. We do it in our own life. I've got a cardigan on because I'm a little bit nippy. We add layers to ourselves and for styling purposes, and it's exactly the same for a card. Okay. And my pro tip today is to choose colours that complement your design and create that cohesive look. Okay. Layers may seem simple, but they make the world of difference. Just try adding one and see what you think. One of my members said to me, learning about layering transformed my cards and they look so great now, which is a really good thing for me to hear. I love teaching people that. So if you want more tips like this with examples and ways to use them, you can grab my new card maker's guide today by signing up for my email, which is here, queenpipcards.com/newbie, and you'll get tips and guidance straight to your inbox every week. So I hope that this episode of Crafty Corner has helped you understand why layers are important and how you can use them in your card making. And if you would love to get in touch or ask a question, you can drop a comment below. I try and answer them all. And if you want to read more and know more and find out more, then join my email list or hop over onto my website, queenpipcards.com, or subscribe and make sure you come back here every week because I'd love to see you and give you more crafty tips. Thank you ever so much for watching. I will see you again next week, hopefully with a bit better hair, and I'll see you then. Take care for now. Bye bye.